Hello everyone, today I'll teach you how to find out which version of Windows your device is running, so let's start the video. You can do this by using two methods. The first one is right-click on your PC and select Properties. A new window will open, and here you can see all information about Windows. In the other method, you have to press the Windows logo key and R. Now type a keyword WinVer in the open box, and then select OK. Here's another method that you can follow up to find out the details about Windows. Go to the Start menu and click on Settings. Now you'll see the System Settings. Click on it and scroll down to the bottom. Here you can see the About Go in it. On this screen, you can read all the details about Windows. If you like the video, please share with your friends and give a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.